Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something super fun. It's gonna be a huge Kiara Sky unboxing. So I already opened it prior because I just got super excited, but I want to show you guys everything they sent me. I am super obsessed. So the first thing they sent me was the C-curve nail tips. And mind you, I'm not a big fan of C-curve nail tips, but theirs are a little bit different. I can work with them better, and I actually really like it. I love their packaging. Like, I love the matte sticker with the shiny nail. It's super cute. Like, they have bomb packaging. I'm gonna show you the tips here. And I have to do a voiceover, guys, because I was trying to record it in real time with my voice, but my daughter was just being super loud. But anyways, here are the tips. They're like a little bit thinner than regular C-curve tips that I would get off Amazon. So they're a little bit easier to work with, and I actually really liked it because I do like that C-curve look. But yeah, here I am just showing you guys the tips. So the next thing that I got was a 16-ounce bottle of their EMA monomer, which I've used before and I really liked it. So I'm super excited about this, especially if I run out of monomer. I have this. Lately I've been using the Not Polish low odor monomer, and I really like that one as well. But this would be my backup. The next thing I got was a pack of nail files. These are a little bit smaller and they're 80/80 grit. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these because I do like the bigger hand files, so I might keep it to maybe do a giveaway possibly in the future. But the next thing that I got were the cover acrylics. I believe they sent me a good amount. I don't know if they sent me all of them, but they sent here. This one came with 4, and this one was Pink Dahlia. And some of these I already have, so I might give some away in a giveaway as well. And then the next one is Sorbet. This one looks like a really cute color, but I don't know if I'm gonna read all the names. So here I am just showing you guys. So if you guys want a screenshot. Oh, and I do have a discount code with them. So if you use the code GLAM to beauty, like my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube, then you will get 10% off your order. And trust me, 10% may not seem like a lot, but it's a little something. So, you know, save a little coin. It might be like free shipping or something like that. But yeah. And then I think they sent me like, let's see, 612. They sent me 16 cover colors, and I'm super excited to use them because I am a whore for nude colors. Like, that is my thing. So yes, I cannot wait to show them or use them, and I might swatch them for you guys. All right, so the next thing that I got in this wonderful PR was the gel art liners, and I am actually super excited to use this because it was trending at a time, but I just never got my hands on it. It comes with, let's see how many colors, 12 colors, which is actually a good amount of colors, and it has like the primary colors basically. But yeah, I'm super excited to use this because it's super convenient, especially if you're doing line work. Let's see what I got next. The next thing that I got were these cute little disposable buffers. They're like smaller than the ones that I usually use, and I like them, and I like that they're pink, so I'll probably be using those. All right, and then the next thing that I got were cuticle bits. Oh, and I have used them already, and I am super obsessed with the medium barrel bit. Like, it works so well. So I got this little small cuticle bit, which I have already, so I might keep this to give away. So a lot of the stuff that I have already, I might just give it away. But it's super tiny. So this round bit is similar to the one that I use in my prep. So I really like this one because it kind of pushes the cuticles up. But this is my all-time fave out of the bundle. Like, this one gets it, girl. It gets it all. So I definitely recommend you to get that. And then there's this like football bit that I haven't used yet, but I'm super excited to try because I want to get in the sidewalls. And then this bit, I'm not even sure how I would even use this. It's like super skinny and pointed, but I'm gonna try and see how people use it. And then I'm gonna try it for myself on my clients. And then we got a safety barrel bit. So I think you can like sand off like any hangnails or stuff like that. All right, let's see what I got next. They sent me their, let's see, acrylic primer. I've tried their acrylic primer before. It's a little bit different than other brands primer because it's a little bit like kind of like gel consistency, but it's not, just a little bit stickier. And they sent me their top coat, acrylic top coat, and their velvet matte. And then they sent me this cuticle oil, and let me tell you guys, it smells so good. It's like a refreshing rose scent, and I love it. But if you don't like the scent of roses, then you probably won't like it, but I love it. So, and it's super cute. Look how cute it is. And then I got their sanding bits. This is medium, but it actually feels like fine. It doesn't feel like any more coarse than fine. But yeah, they work super good, so I'll still be using these as well. And then last but not least, the main attraction, the Beyond Pro portable nail drill and lamp in their new color lavender. It's so pretty, guys. I did not want to open it because it was just so pretty in its little packaging, but I'm going to unbox it for you guys, and I cannot wait to use it. So this is my first time ever having this bundle. I don't have it in any other colors or anything, but the packaging is super cute. I love that it says "Let It Shine" with a little heart. But I love purple. Like, I've been obsessed with purple lately, and so this color was everything. And they do also have it in pink, white, and a light blue, I believe. or teal. I'm not sure if it's light blue or teal, but look how pretty it is. And the good thing about this light is it's acetone resistant, because I know I use one from Amazon now, and I still love that light. Like, it's amazing. But the only thing I did not like about that light was because it's not acetone resistant, and it gets super dirty and you can't clean it, so it just has to look dirty. And I also love that their what is it, logo, not logo, but their wording is like holographic, and it's super cute. And they have lights on both sides, so like your thumbs and your pinkies get dried. And then they have like 4 different options of light, so 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds for low heat mode. A lot of people that do gel X, 90 seconds would definitely help prevent heat spikes. Not prevent them, but it would help like minimize heat spikes because it's not curing super strong. And then it comes with a charger, and then it also comes with a nail plate that goes underneath the drill, and you can easily remove it and then take it off, clean it, sanitize it, do whatever you gotta do. It's definitely removable. Another good thing about like the light and the drill is it comes with a 1-year warranty, but you have to register online 30 days from purchase. So they'll cover a bunch of stuff, but it'll tell you what they don't cover on this sheet of paper that comes in both boxes. And then now we're gonna unbox the drill, which I'm super excited to use because I've been needing like a good drill, a quiet drill, because the one I have now works just fine. It was like a replacement for my Koopa drill, but I'm like super like careless with my drill, and like the way I hold it sometimes kind of gives like the cord shortages. So I'm excited to see how this drill will work, and see how long it lasts me. So super excited for that. So here it is again, the little warranty card that tells you what to do. So it comes with the handpiece, and I was really shocked about how light and small it was. Like, it's super convenient because if you know, when you do nails, sometimes you have a lot of hand pain, and when you hold heavy stuff and you're constantly drilling and drilling, it just does not feel good on your hands. So having something light to hold feels like nothing. It's like really good for your hands. But yeah, here I'm struggling how to put this in. Like, I was just having a brain fart. But yeah, so yeah, you just adapt it like so, and then you turn it on. Another thing that I've never had on a drill was the monitor telling me how many RPMs I'm going. And I know a lot of people always ask me like, oh, what RPM are you going, what RPM are you going? And I just literally can't tell them because it either just has little dots that level up, or like big numbers like 3,000, 5,000, 9,000. But now I can tell you guys exactly what number RPM I'm going. And then it also comes with a drill holder, a handpiece holder, and it actually came with some drill bits in there as well, which I loved. And it also had a little piece that you can clamp on the side of the drill, so that you can take it anywhere. And here I wanted to show you guys how quiet the drill sound. So yeah, that drill is pretty quiet. It's pretty amazing because a lot of drills are super noisy and I hate that because it just hurts my head. But here I am putting the battery pack on the little stand, and I actually like their stand because it's like nice, sleek and clean. And then the handpiece, and then I'll show you guys the cuticle bits and how I put on the little handpiece holder on the side of the drill. But yes, here's a recap of everything they sent me. I'm super blessed. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I thank you guys so much and I love you guys so much. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.